James Wilson with Old Capital. I'm out here at Woods of Haltom, 89-unit apartment community that we financed with Joe Pizzuro, one of the general partners here. Joe, tell us a little bit about the property.
So yeah, like you said, 89 units. We have a renovation plan going right now. We're about to take a look at some premium upgrades. We've also added private fenced yards. So let's go take a look.
Let's go take a look. They did a good job finding this deal and getting under contract, and then we worked together through the loan process. Joe was very proactive getting everything done, and we went with 75% leverage bridge loan on this one, but they've quickly implemented their business plan.
$1,647, so it's a 3-bedroom. That includes all bills paid plus cable and internet. You want to move in?